All I know is that for the longest, and I still do, struggle to find used auto parts that I need fast for my mechanic shop or for the used cars that I am selling since I have a dealer's license. So basically, I had an idea in 2011, got some investors, paid a company to build it. We launched it and it was successful, very successful, too successful that it crashed and burned. And I'll explain the story more on that later, because it's the most weirdest thing ever. But we knew we had something special, so we put it up. And then I tried to get it at the beginning of 2020 when COVID started. And then soon after that, failed, and then tried again. And then been working on it straight from 2020 all the way to now. We did a soft launch, and now we're doing marketing. So yeah, the app is out. So there's been so many forces trying to stop me, trying to deliver this app, that I just have no idea how. But and you guys will be able to see what I'm talking about later as I tell the stories of the app, and buying and selling cars, and show you guys. Mine's a little bit different from everybody else. I like to buy the ones that do not run and drive, bring them through a process, fix them, and show you guys how this app will come in handy for me as a mechanic shop owner and the used car sales guy. Stay tuned for the next video, and I'll start the series of the next video and just kind of explain everything, dig deeper into everything around me, the shops, the family, buying and flipping, the app, and a little bit of music, because that's one of my hobbies that has been put on hold. But stuff like that. So I'll promise this is salvage yard industry, and I promise I'm gonna do my best to try to make it look sexy and attractive, being in the automotive salvage yard industry. But I'm ready for this, so let's go.